Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the summary page of the APDL menu. Summary page is very similar to the payroll page. Open it here on the menu by tapping the summary line. Very similar to the way the payroll page looks. We start off at the top with a date range that can be adjusted using the arrows left and right. We'll go with October again just like we had before. We can also edit those dates to a custom range if we choose to do that. Down here we have a scheduled versus actual graph. It looks very similar to the one before, which was credit versus actual. In this case we have scheduled versus actual. This is all pertaining to flight time. So this is actual block versus scheduled block. This has nothing to do with payroll. This is only flight time type of data. See if I can find a different month in here where my values were slightly different. There's one. I guess we'll go with this one from September. So the actual line is the solid green with the shading, and then the dashed line is the scheduled times. So we can see on the trips I did prior to September the 8th here, looks like we did a little bit of underblock on those flights and a little bit less actual flight time than was originally scheduled. Then the trip between the 8th and the 12th, we overblocked quite a bit. And you can see a little bit of a difference there. And for the rest of the month, because of that overblock, we managed to basically stay a little bit above the original block for the remainder of the month. Coming down, we have another summary section just like we had previously in the payroll section. Scheduled flight time or scheduled block versus actual block. We also have nighttime, instrument time, and landings separated by day and night, here indicated by the sun and moon icons. Again, we have another collapsed section here. That's trip details. I can tap that and make that expand and see for every day that I flew during the month. Some summary data here. Obviously you have the dates over here to the left, how many legs were flown those days, landings. If I didn't log any landings, those will be blank for those days. Nighttime, instrument time, and then total flight time under the actual column here. And then we do get running totals here for the end of the month, or the end of the time frame that we selected at the top of the page, I should say, as can be seen here at the bottom. Little summary note we have between September 1st and September 30th, 00 through 23:59 times in local Charlotte time. Again, we have the yearly summary, the 2015 summary, 689 hours scheduled, 695 actual flown, so a little bit of overblock for the year, and nighttime, instrument time, landings, total legs flown. Just some quick summary data that you can use. That's about all there is for the summary page. Thanks for watching.